Hello and welcome to this course. My name is Fakhar and I am your instructor for this course. Some of important topics that you will learn in this course are templates in Microsoft Publisher, page design. You will learn how to design your page, how to change background of your page and how to set margin, size, orientation and lot of other stuff related page design. Then you will learn how to create new page, how to arrange them, how to delete them. Then you will learn how to add text, how to add formatting the text, increase or decrease the size of text. And then you will learn how to insert and format tables, how to insert and format images, shapes, and how to set some images to your background. And then you will learn how to add page parts, calendars, borders, and how to make some kind of advertisements. Then you will learn how to insert time and date into your page, and finally you will learn creating business card, wedding album, flyer, brochure, and lot of other stuff using the templates of Publisher. So then you will learn how to save and export them and much more. So enroll now and start learning Microsoft Publisher today. I will see you in the class. Bye.